Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, June the 18th, 2022. Yeah, June the 18th, 2022. We have here two regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the Sudoku Medium and a Samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. And I've told you this one I won't do them anymore because it will take me more than an hour to solve. I will post a link, a PDF link, so you can download it. And if you like Samurai Sudokus, you can solve it by yourself. And in today's newspaper on Saturday, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars Sudoku, the 3 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic with 4 stars, the tectonic with 1 star, and the binary. So total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve today. Tomorrow we don't receive any newspaper, so I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the Saturday edition. But first we will solve this baby. This will be number, let me mount the tripod. This will be number, I believe, 4719. 4719, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Should be easier than the 1 star Sudoku, because the 1 star Sudoku in the additional, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Then, well, maybe this one 40 minutes. All right, we will see. So let's get started. All right, medium Sudoku. Let me see. 1 1. Okay. We have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, there are only 3 places left for the 6 to be here, or there. We see here a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. Here 6 in the row below, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 in the last row should be there, or in the first column. All right. 9 9. 7 7. 8 8 8 8 8 8. Let me see. 4 4 4. 8 and the 2. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 7 7 4 4 6. We have a 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. We have an 8 and a 7 in the middle row, so no 8 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. All right. Okay. Then 6. Well. 2 2 4 4. 7, 7. Let me scan. Come on. It's taking too long. 7, 7, 7. Okay. Come on. 2, 2, 5, 5, 5. 9, 9. Come on. 2, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in this column. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square should be there. We have a pair, 2 and a 9 in this row, 2 and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and a 9 goes in. Those 2 boxes is a pair, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So 1 box left in the middle row for the number 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. Well. 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in the second row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The column next, yes. And now we have 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1. Okay, 1. Cannot continue with the 1. Here we have in this row 8 and a 7. So the other pair in this row should be the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square. Oh, wait. I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. Then. Let me see. 8, 6, and the 9. No. 8, 6, and the 3. 3, 8, 6, 6. Okay. 6 and 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Oh, wait. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in the last column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Oh, wait. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. Here 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Oh, wait. Okay, and now 9, 9. Okay. 9. Well. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, we have a pair. The 1 and the 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 1. We have a 4 in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. Sorry, in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. And missing the 4 in this row, first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Alright, 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8. Well. We have a pair. 8 and the 5 in this column. 8 and a 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 5, 8 and a 5. So 2 numbers left in this last row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and this box should be 8, 9. Right. Great. Then 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left. Oh, wait. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 in the more. That box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7 and 8, let me mark those. That means 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. No, 5, the 6, the 7 and 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box give me 8 anymore. Oh, wait. 1 box left in the third column for number 7. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. Yes, finish in 15 minutes. Not faster than 14 minutes. Well, but I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.